Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase alarm volume in Samsung. So if you want to increase your Samsung phone alarm volume, maybe you already set up the alarm, but the volume is too low for your liking and now you want to reduce it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to increase alarm volume on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the clock application. Then locate the alarm whose volume you want to increase and click on it. Now once you click on the alarm, locate alarm sound and click on it. Once you click on alarm sound, then you should see the volume beneath. Now to increase the alarm volume on your Samsung phone, drag this to the edge. You see that? If it is somewhere around here, the alarm volume is going to be very minimal. So for you to have a very loud alarm volume, increase this. Hit the back button afterward. Then before you go ahead and click on save button. Once you hit the save button, you should see alarm set for a particular hour on your Samsung interface and then you're good. With this is going to increase your Samsung phone alarm volume. So that is basically how to increase alarm volume in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.